Hey everyone, have you ever felt like you're constantly running on a hamster wheel with endless to-do lists and deadlines? It's so easy to get caught up in the hustle and believe that we are the absolute masters of our own time. We schedule every minute, trying to optimize and control our lives. But what if I told you there's a powerful practice that challenges this very idea? It's the concept of the Sabbath. When we choose to step back, to rest, and to dedicate a day not to our own ambitions, but to something greater, it forces us to ask a crucial question. Who truly rules our time? Is it our own relentless drive, or is it a trust in a divine plan? Taking a Sabbath isn't about legalism. It's a declaration of freedom. It's saying, I trust that the world will keep spinning even if I stop. It reveals whether our ultimate authority is our schedule or our Creator. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.